Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Joe from GadgetryTech.com, and today I am super excited to show you a new product from EP Light, or at least it's new to me, but it's basically some revolutionary lighting concepts to add more accents to your home, office, game room, wherever it may be. But more or less, they're handcrafted bulbs that give you a look that I have not seen before. It's basically a form of art within a traditional looking light bulb. So this particular one that we're going to show you today is the Nebula bulb, which is of course to mimic something in outer space. Now I want to say these are all handcrafted, so if you order 5 Nebula bulbs, none of them are going to look the same. That's part of the allure and the selling factor, is they are unique pieces of art. More or less, let's open it up. This particular package with the base, the cable, and the bulb is $59.99. I want to thank EP Lab for sending this out. I did get a press release on this and I was so excited to get it that I immediately asked if they had any samples to send out. This is what I received, and I'm very grateful for that because this is the one I was going to purchase, so it kind of worked out. But I strongly recommend looking into these bulbs. This particular one is selling for $59.99 right now for this package. That includes the bulb, base, cable, and we'll talk about the base in a minute. But here is the bulb in its glory, and as you can tell, there's a lot going on in there. Very intricate detail, lots of colors, and we'll illuminate that in a second with this base. Now, one thing I do want to say, even though it has a base that you basically set it on top to light it up, this socket is functional. You can screw this into anything you want that has the traditional light bulb socket. The bulb is rated for up to 100,000 hours of life. It stays fairly cool. It's not a super bright bulb. It's designed so you can look at it and not burn your eyes out, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So, the base, one thing I did not know is there is a battery in it. And the battery is rated for up to 20 hours of use. This particular one is made of wood. There are a lot of styles on the website, so I'll be sure to provide you with a link below to help you find what you're looking for. But there's dozens of light bulbs designs, so you can pick out what you like. In this box comes a charge cable, the base, and the bulb. So basically everything you need to get going. So let's connect it, or at least place the bulb on top. It's just going to rest there, and voila. And now it's powered on. Now we're going to show you some extra footage that better represents the quality in the light and what you see inside the bulb. Cameras tend to do a poor job of capturing a wide range of light without some extra trick photography. So we're going to show you some video, show you some pictures, and that about covers it. I can tell you this thing is extremely heavy. It's solid. I still wouldn't drop it, of course, because there is glass. But yeah, it's well made. The price is reasonable. Obviously, it's not the least expensive thing out there. I've seen the bulbs go for $25 to $30 for just the bulb itself. When you add in a gift box like this, it gets a little bit more pricey. But I think if you're looking for something unique as a gift, especially for Christmas time or any particular holiday, this is very unique. I haven't seen anything like this, and I think the price is reasonable for something that's made and feels as good as it does. So that's about it. That covers it. Again, $59.99 for this kit. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment below. Otherwise, check out the link because I think these products are phenomenal and they look great in the office. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.